What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green then you can release your finger to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the next solution is turn off power saving mode. Now if you have enabled the power saving mode, then you might face difficulties while using Wi-Fi. So to turn it off, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Now here tap on current mode, and if you have enabled battery saver then set it to balanced, and after that the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again. Now tap on more connectivity options and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then tap on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern to confirm. So when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset the network settings, and after that the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is try updating the phone's software. So to update the software, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now from here tap on the software version, and then it will automatically start checking for the updates. So if you have any update available, then update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software it will fix the small software glitches in the previous version, and after that the Wi-Fi will also start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.